Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top programming languages you need to know for web development. Whether you're just starting out, or you're a seasoned tech pro looking to add some new tools to your kit, this video is for you. We're going to break down the top contenders in the web development world, talking about what makes each language unique, what it's best used for, and why you might choose one over the other. We'll explore the strengths, the weaknesses, and the overall ecosystem surrounding each language. So if you're ready to build the future of the web, grab your favorite coding beverage, fire up your IDE, and let's get started. First up, we have to talk about JavaScript. This is the language that makes the web come alive. When you see animations, interactive maps, or content that updates dynamically, chances are JavaScript is running behind the scenes. It's a language that runs directly in your web browser, which means no extra downloads or installations for users. Just pure dynamic web experiences straight out of the box. And the beauty of JavaScript is that it's everywhere. It's not just for front-end development anymore. With technologies like Node.js, you can use JavaScript on the back-end to build servers, APIs, and even mobile apps. Talk about versatility. And the JavaScript ecosystem is absolutely massive. You've got frameworks and libraries for everything imaginable. React, Angular, Vue.js for front-end, Express.js for back-end, and countless others. This means there's a huge community, tons of support, and a constant stream of new tools and resources. Now, JavaScript can be a bit quirky at times. It's a loosely typed language which can lead to some unexpected behavior if you're not careful. And it's had its fair share of interesting design decisions over the years. But despite its quirks, JavaScript is an incredibly powerful and versatile language that's only becoming more important in the world of web development. If there's one language to learn for the web, it's this one. Next up, we have Python, a language known for its readability and ease of use. If you're looking to get into web development without getting bogged down in complex syntax, Python's a great place to start, but don't let its beginner friendliness fool you. Python is capable of powering some seriously complex web applications. It's used by companies like Instagram, Spotify, and Dropbox, just to name a few. One of the things that makes Python so powerful for web development is its frameworks. Django and Flask are two of the most popular, and they provide a robust foundation for building everything from simple websites to complex web apps. Django is a more batteries-included framework, offering features like an ORM for interacting with databases, built-in authentication, and a templating engine right out of the box. It's a great choice if you want to get up and running quickly, and don't mind working within a more structured framework. Flask, on the other hand, is a more minimalist framework that gives you a lot more freedom to choose your own components and structure your application the way you want. It's a great choice for smaller projects or for developers who want more control over their tech stack. Beyond web development, Python is a powerhouse in data science, machine learning, and scripting, making it an incredibly versatile language to have in your arsenal. Chapter 3. Let's talk about Ruby, a language that's all about developer happiness and getting things done quickly. Ruby is known for its elegant syntax and focus on convention over configuration, making it a joy to write and read. But the real magic of Ruby happens when you combine it with Ruby on Rails, often shortened to Rails. Rails is a web application framework that emphasizes rapid development and clean, maintainable code. It's built on the principle of convention over configuration, which means that Rails comes with a lot of sensible defaults and assumptions about how your application should be structured. This means you spend less time writing boilerplate code and more time building the features that matter. Rails also encourages a don't repeat yourself or dry approach to development, which helps keep your codebase clean, organized, and easy to maintain. And because Rails is such a mature framework, there's a huge community of developers, tons of resources, and a wealth of gems, pre-built packages of Ruby code, that can help you add functionality to your application quickly. If you're building a web application that needs to be scalable, maintainable, and enjoyable to work with, Ruby on Rails is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 4. Now, let's talk about PHP, a language that's been powering the web for decades. In fact, PHP is estimated to be used by almost 80% of all websites, so you've definitely interacted with it before, even if you didn't know it. PHP is a server-side scripting language, which means it runs on the server, not in the user's browser. It's particularly well suited for building dynamic web pages and applications that interact with databases. One of the reasons PHP has been so popular for so long is its ease of use. It's relatively easy to learn and there's a low barrier to entry for getting started. Plus, because it's been around for so long, there are tons of resources, tutorials, and frameworks available. Speaking of frameworks, PHP has some of the most popular ones in the web development world, like Laravel and Symfony. These frameworks provide a structured way to build web applications, making development faster and more efficient. Now, PHP has gotten a bit of a bad rap over the years for its sometimes inconsistent syntax and its history of security vulnerabilities, but the language has come a long way, and modern PHP is a far cry from its early days. If you're looking for a battle-tested language with a massive community and a ton of resources, PHP is still a solid choice for web development. Chapter 5. Finally, let's talk about Java, a language that's known for its stability, scalability, and performance. Java is often used for building large-scale, enterprise-level web applications, but it can also be used for smaller projects. One of the key features of Java is its write once, run anywhere capability. This means that you can write your code once and run it on any platform that has a Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, without needing to modify your code. Java is also known for its strong typing, which helps prevent errors and makes your code more robust. And because Java is a compiled language, it tends to perform very well, especially for complex applications. In the web development world, Java is often used with frameworks like Spring and Java EE Enterprise Edition. These frameworks provide a comprehensive set of tools and APIs for building everything from simple web applications to complex distributed systems. While Java might have a steeper learning curve than some of the other languages on this list, its power, scalability, and versatility make it a valuable language for any serious web developer. So, there you have it. Those are some of the top programming languages for web development in 2025. From front-end to back-end, from simple websites to complex web applications, these languages have got you covered. The best language for you will depend on your specific needs, the type of project you're building, and your personal preferences. But no matter which language you choose, the world of web development is constantly evolving. So it's important to stay curious, keep learning, and never stop building. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights and tutorials. Let me know in the comments which language you're most excited to learn or which one you're already using to build awesome things. Until next time.